How's it, guys? How's it? Sandy here. God is on top of the hill, and Garden's on top of the hill. I think about a month or 2 months now, because it should be 28 days, but I think I've made it about almost 60 days. I put a lot of your plum, nectarine, peach seeds, or peeps in palm pit, and I put it on a Ziploc. I put it on my fridge, and I've been checking now and again every other week. And come check this out. We've got something that's germinated. Let's get it. There's this one, the small one. It's the small one that has germinated, can see. And then there's this one, the big one. The big one is the one with the peach seeds and all that. I don't know if we should open it up and take a look on it as well. Maybe, let's take it as well and go have a look at it. But now what we need to do is actually take the ones that have germinated out of the bag and put them on the pot and put them in a semi-shade area, so that they don't get killed by the sunlight, because you don't want to take them out of a fridge and then just throw them on the sun and then they die right there, just like that. Okay, let me get the tools to try and work this out, and then let's do this and get these tiny seedlings of trees or whatever thing, tiny seedlings in pots, and then grow some trees, so that we can have some nice either plum or nectarine, or I even had the Danish peach seeds in there. So I don't know what's cracked and germinated, but let's find out. Let's do this one, because this one we already know that we have some germinated peeps. I don't know if we will be able to. You see, this is a peach. This is a big one. This is a peach. I don't know if you can see it here.
Daddy.
Yeah. So I see there's also tiny seeds here, which could be about an apple or a pear.
Or a papaya.
Yeah, it could be a pear, because look at this cap here. Look at this cap. Yeah, either an apple or pear. Unfortunately, I had just thrown everything here. Here is a second cap. Yeah. Okay. So no the stone fruit yet. Then please move that side. Come this side.
Okay. Look how far.
Okay. No the stone fruit yet. So we keep the. We keep the peaches and all of them in here,
and then we can plant our
we take it back to the fridge and we wait. Hopefully they will crack soon. See here. I don't see anything happening here. I can see the peeps, but nothing yet. I don't know if you can see them, but nothing yet. No germination, nothing. Not sure if they are properly covered. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. See, yes. This is from a plum. So, yeah. Okay, let's cover these in. Cover them deep in there. And
let me get some.
there we go. And take them back to the fridge and we wait.
Yeah, I'm coming.
We wait. Hopefully they'll crack. And we can get some nice trees. Now I need to deal with these two guys. Oh, you can't even see them. Here they are. Yeah. So let's do that. How nice, my kids have already popped this compost here. Right, there we go. This is compost. Go like that. Go like that. And put that in there and cover like that. And I will water and I will dome it with a transparent either juice bottle or something, so that this guy can get a bit of life and turn green and become a viable tree.
Daddy.
Yeah, no.
I popped this forever.
Okay.
And I popped this doors.
Yes, yes, I can see. You the one who was popping those holes there on my compost.
So, so I'm not popping this.
You not? Who popped them?
Denny and Goba.
Denny and Ngoba.
Yes.
Very naughty kids, Denny and Ngoba.
But you know, naughty.
Yeah, you are.
No, you know.
Yeah, you are.
Denny.
Yeah, you are. Okay, well, guys, this is it. These are the two guys that germinated. Like I said, here they are. Either it was an apple or it was a pear. I'm not sure. But I think it would have been a pear seeds that I would have put in there. Because I already have quite a lot of apple trees. So here they are now. I'm going to water them. Once I water them and put them in a nice shaded area, and there will be like this peach tree here. There will be like this peach tree here. There will be like this peach tree here, which is also from the seed. It looks dry, doesn't it? Okay. Yeah. Alright, guys, that's it. That's about it. Sunny day. Kyle is on top of the hill and Karen's on top of the hill. I am almost out. Before I go, guys, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that comment section and leave a comment. Tell me how I can actually improve. You know, I've been trying to germinate the peach and the plum and all that for the longest time. I used to hit the peeps with a hammer and then take out the thing inside, the seed inside, and then put it on a paper towel, spray it with water. But all that used to happen is that they will rot. And then I saw this method. I said, okay, let me try this method. Yeah, it's a long road, but I have all the patience, so I'll wait. I'll wait. So please do hit me on the comments and let me know how you do yours, or which method is best. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support. If you've made it here, you are highly appreciated. I salute you. Thank you. And yes, please do share the video to the like-minded people. And don't forget to subscribe. My kids are now killing each other. I have to go and deal with them. I'm out. Boys, are you out?
Yeah.
What, Danny? Are you out?
Yeah, I am out.
Okay, what are you doing there?
Planting.
You're planting that flower there?
Yeah.
Okay, my boy, I'm not sure if that's gonna work, but it's okay.